In this video we will see how to make an all-natural face mask, which is super effective. The ingredients required are gram flour, yogurt, lemon, turmeric powder, honey, and rose water, which is optional. Firstly, mix the yogurt and gram flour together, and make sure there are no lumps. Add half a lemon to the mixture, followed by a teaspoon of turmeric.
Add half a lemon to the mixture, followed by a teaspoon of turmeric.
To this mixture add a teaspoon of honey and mix it well. You can now add some rose water, although this step is optional. Now wash your face well, and apply the mask in a circular motion, covering your entire face. Now let the mask rest for 15 minutes, and then wash it off with cold water, for best effects. Some notable features of this mask include replenishing your skin, acts as a moisturizer, and most importantly it's all natural.